How to get points on all.com. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can get points on all.com. So what do? Make sure you sit back and watch this video to the end. It is quick and easy, alright? So do not be perturbed. Now the first step is to install the all.com app on your mobile device. Once you have it installed, just click on the app to launch the app. Once you've launched the app, and you've logged in, you report to your own page, right, where you can see your search bar, you can see your welcome address, and then just next to it you can see the classic member and then the number of points that you have. Currently I have 0 reward points, and this is because I have not been participating in the things I need to participate in. Now, what are the things to participate in? As a member of all.com, in order to get reward points, one has to book book hotels, book hotels that participate in giving points to customers. All right, so how can you book hotels? By clicking on the where do you want to go search box, and then you can now select an hotel depending on where you're heading to. And then once you're on this page, just click on search to search out the hotels close to that particular area or in that particular area. You select it, see the rooms. But before you click on see the rooms, on the hotels page, you can see details, right? And the first detail you can see is, are you flexible? And then classic status. So you can just click on this to view your benefits. Now, one of the benefits is that you will earn status and reward points. So any hotel you're trying to get, ensure that it has this earning reward point. So as you can see this, you can now go ahead and click on see rooms, see rates by selecting the rooms. Then you can now go ahead and book the hotel. After booking this hotel, you will get more points. All right, another detail or another way is by booking or getting results on all.com. And I do this by scrolling down and locating the more experiences tab. And then when you see this, you can see activities, right, results, and then long stays. By participating in any of these, the activities, results, or long stays, you also get more points. All right, so that's basically how to do it. This is basically how you can earn or get more points on all.com. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.